Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome to our fun learning adventure. I'm teacher Elena, and today we have some amazing friends joining us. Let's give a big hello to Dora, Beam, Little Singam, Pooji, and Patu. Now, let's hear a little bit about each of our friends. Dora, would you like to start?
Hi everyone, I'm Dora, and I love exploring new things.
Wonderful. Now, let's hear from Beam.
Hi friends, I'm Beam, and I love building with blocks and making cool things.
Fantastic. Little Singam, how about you?
Hi everyone, I'm Little Singam and I roar like a lion.
Roar some! Pooji, your turn.
Hi, friends. I'm Pooji, and I love painting and coloring beautiful pictures.
Wonderful. Last but not least, let's hear from Patu.
Hi everyone, I'm Patu and I love singing and dancing with my friends.
Amazing. Thank you all for introducing yourselves. Now, are you ready to learn and have lots of fun together?
Yes, Teacher Alina.
Great. In our next adventure, we'll learn about colors, numbers, and so much more. So, stay tuned for our exciting learning journey. Until then, keep smiling and keep learning.